Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Nur Nabila and I'm from F06 and my matrix number is MS2315137512. So for this task, I got thallium is for my element. So for question 1, it wants to state the proton number and give the full electronic configuration for the element. So thallium has 81 proton number and the EC is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 4d10, 4f14, 5s2, 5p6, 5d10, 6s2 and 6p1. So for question 2, you need an electronic configurations for your elements to determine the positions. So we already did that on the question 1. So to determine the group, you can refer to the table on the right side. We know that from the EC we have NS2 and NP1 for thallium. That means thallium is in group 13. For block, we can see the last for at the EC is 6p, which means thallium is in P block, and for the period depends on the highest principal quantum number, which is n equals to 6, so it was in period 6. So for the full positions of this thallium is group 13, period 6, and P block. For question 3, compare the size of the element given with the other elements of the same period and explain its strength. So it mentioned here same period, so we will use pizas. So the other element that I choose is lead, Pb. So the answer according to pizas, it will sound thallium has smaller proton number than lead. Thallium has small effective nuclear charge, which is that than lead. The third point is thallium has weaker nucleus attraction with valence electrons than lead. And the last point is thallium has bigger atomic size than lead. So for question 4, suggest the stable ion formed by the elements. So for this question, we also need an EC for thallium, which we already did. So from the EC, we know that thallium need to remove one of its electrons to become a thallium ion, which is Tl+. Question 5. To answer this question, we need electronic configuration for thallium atom and also for thallium ion. So from the EC, we know that thallium will lose one valence electron to form thallium ion. Thus, thallium ion, which has 80 electron, has less electron than thallium atom, which has 81 electron. When more electrons are removed to the same shell, the electron-electron repulsion, which is mutual repulsion, decreases. Electron become closer due to stronger nucleus attraction. Thus, thallium ion has smaller radius than its corresponding atom, which is thallium atom. So for the last question, which is question 6, sulfur reacts with oxygen to form oxides. So for the first Roman, write the equation for the formation of sulfur trioxide. First, you will get S plus O2 become SO3, and then you balance it. You will get 2S plus 3O2 become 2SO3. So for the second Roman, identify the acid-base character of the oxide formed by sulfur. So the first point is SO3 is covalent oxide. The second is covalent oxide are usually acidic. And last point, hence SO3 is acidic oxide. So we move to the very last question. Give the equation for the reaction of sulfur trioxide with water. You will get your answer, which is the equation SO3 plus H2O will become H2SO4, and it's already balanced. So you don't need to balance it.